Okay, so we have an update on the 52 Ford Gasser project. We have a 351 high output out of a 1984 Ford Econoline van. We got it sitting in here right now. We ordered some Butch's Cool Stuff motor mounts, and we have them sitting in the position right now. They're not bolted in or anything, but they fit in there quite nicely. Yeah, this has the C6 on it, automatic, and we did have to modify the transmission tunnel a little bit because the size of the transmission, it wouldn't allow us to get the engine in there. It was hitting the floor pan, basically in this general area right here when we were trying to put it in, but we'll take care of that. The transmission mount actually lined up in the same area as the original transmission mount. Just have to drill some different holes in it. It's going to be a tight fit, obviously. I believe that the van came with the short water pump already, it looks like, but I went ahead and ordered a 69 Mustang water pump, and then we also have the 69 dampener on there, the harmonic balancer. So that should fit pretty good. We will have to trim the splash pan up front of the gravel pan for the radiator, because this was not a 6-cylinder car. The 6-cylinder cars already have the gravel pan forward, but this one was the flathead V8, so it's back a little bit. Not a big deal. We'll have to change the oil filter. The original oil filter was the large oil filter, and it was hitting the cross member, so we'll have to get a shorter one for that. As you can see, the motor mount is all the way back to the edge of the cross member. There is about 1.5 inches worth of room still back there that you can move the engine back if you wanted to, but then the transmission bolts and everything would be right up against the firewall, real close to the firewall, so that would probably be a problem if you had to take it back out again. So, and we got some door skins for the inside made, and I'll include a picture of that on the video. Another thing, since this was a van, the transmission dipstick housing is really close to the firewall. It just has a bracket on there that I cut so we can actually move it forward a little bit, so we won't have to worry about that. It's not a big deal. Just tack weld that back into position. But yeah, at least we got it sitting in here just to make sure it'll fit in everything and see what we have to do. We actually have another engine that we could possibly get that only has 25,000 miles on it. It was a rebuilt motor, but I'm not sure about the mileage on this one, but we'll see what's going on when we start tearing it down. We took the valve cover off. It was very clean in there, so that was some good news. But yeah, let me know if you guys have any questions, but we'll keep posting videos. Thank you.